Hello guys, so we'll be taking problem based on exponents of real numbers from R.D. Sharma. In this problem, what you need to do here, you need to prove this expression is equal to 1. So how are you going to do that? Let's see. As you know that you cannot take this side because this is already equal to 1. So what you'll do, let's take this side, left hand side, and evaluate this and prove that this will be equal to 1. So now let's take the left hand side. What can you observe here? You can see that power of x is b minus a and c minus a. So how can you write this? You can write this as ax raised to power b divided by x raised to power a, because you know that when this will go in the numerator, sign of exponent of a will get changed. If this is plus a, this will become minus a. And when this will go in the numerator like this. So you can see here that base are same. So powers will get added and this will become b minus a. Now you can write this as, now let's remove that. You can write this as x raised to power c divided by x raised to power a. Now let's do the same thing for these two expressions. You can write this as, okay, I hope there should be no doubt in this step. Now what you're going to do here, you'll take the LCM of this denominator. After taking the LCM, you know that there will be x raised to power a. And here when you'll multiply or divide x raised to power a with 1, this will be x raised to power a only, and then you will multiply this with 1. You know how to take LCM. This will get cancelled out, and 1 when you will multiply 1 with x raised to power b, so it will remain x raised to power b. Again when you will divide this with this will be 1, and 1 into x raised to power c will be x raised to power c. Now do the same thing here. Okay. Now you can see here, you can write this as 1:1, and this form you can observe here, this is a by b divided by, let's suppose this is c by d. You can write this as a by b into d will go in the numerator and c will come in the denominator. As you know that this is 1 by 1, a and b is 1 by 1, so this form will be d by c. Here, as this is 1 by 1, so this will go up and this will remain in the denominator. You can see that c will remain in the denominator. So this will be x raised to power a. Now do the same thing here. Now what you'll do, after this you'll take the LCM, and after getting LCM, what the LCM will be? Our LCM will be, you can see here that all these are same. So our LCM will be same. This will be x raised to power a plus x raised to power b plus x raised to power c. As all these are same, so you'll get numerator as it is in addition. Now let's compare both numerator and denominator. After comparing, you know that this will get cancelled out and this will be equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.